Jaiib Caiib sessions for 2022 are already over, and many of you must have cleared the exam of Jaiib and Caiib in the very first attempt. So heartiest congratulations to all of those candidates who have made their mark and have cleared the exam in the very first attempt of 2022. And also many of the candidates among you have not been able to clear the exam in the first attempt or in the attempt of 2022. So let me tell you that from 2023 the exam syllabus are going to be changed, and also the negative marking will be introduced, and also there will be no options for the numerical questions and you have to write the calculated answer over there. But even though the difficulties are there, you can still manage to clear the Jaiib Caiib 2023 in the very first attempt. But let me tell you, with the increased syllabus and the number of the exams, it must be much more difficult for you to clear the exam. But if you will be start preparing those exams in time, then you can definitely clear the exam in the very first attempt. So we here at Learning Sessions are going to start the fresh batches for Jaiib Caiib 2023, where we will be covering the full syllabus of Jaiib and Caiib in detail with the videos, case study videos, chapter wise questions, mock test, and the complimentary access to the ePDF notes. So do enroll right now. Use the coupon code NEW2023 so as to get the courses at flat 82% off. This is the lowest cost available so far, and you'll be getting validity not for the 6 months, not for the 10 months or 12 months. You'll be getting the extended validity for 13 months. Do join right now. The link is also available in the description and also available in the pinned comment in the comment section below. So hurry up guys, do not forget to apply the coupon code NEW2023, enroll into the courses and start preparing for the same. The classes are going to commence very soon from the 20th of December. So thank you so much and see you again there on the other side.